Sigma student. So probably the number one is really discipline. No matter how good is your system is, or no matter how good is the problem and the solution is, but if you don't have any discipline and the drive and will to do the improvement, wala rin, no? So it requires really discipline. Number two is the remove all the non-value added. No? So tinuro naman sa atin yan, di ba? So identify the non-value added so that you could eliminate those non-value added. So it improves the efficiency of whatever projects that you wanted to improve, no? And then to make it more sustainable and put some standardization in everything that you do, no, in line with the Six Sigma. And then for me as an HR, you need to manage the behavior, no? That's more important, no? The creation of the improvement opportunities using the Six Sigma, not only standardizing the system, streamlining the processes, but the behavior of the modification, especially us is I'm driving the culture transformation. No? This really helps now for the point of view of the service provider and the employees. And then the most important one is the decision now is a data-driven decision rather than reacting kind of decision. So we created a dashboard that could support the areas of opportunity that we could still improve in the processes, no, in relation to HR help desk. So I think